Harlequin laughs in colour, paint on their cheeks, salt on their lips, standing where the sea keeps secrets, Gemini beside them. Two moods, two tides, one hand reaching forward, one hand already gone. The waves keep talking, come closer, then pulling the words away before they settle. Harlequin spins, bright, unafraid. Gemini flickers, storm, sunlight, storm. And the ocean keeps breathing like it knows them both. Three rhythms, colour, twin, tide. Meeting, parting, meeting again.